Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever created a table in Microsoft Word only to notice those annoying double borders that make your work look messy? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you a simple and effective way to remove them quickly. Let's get started. First, click anywhere inside your table. You'll see a small cross handle appear at the top left corner of the table. Click on that to select the entire table. Once the table is selected, the Table Design tab will automatically appear in the ribbon at the top. Now, in the Design tab, look for the Border Styles option. You'll probably notice that it's showing a double border icon, and that's exactly what's causing the issue. Let's fix that. Click the drop-down arrow next to Border Styles. From the list of available borders, scroll until you find Single Solid Line Half Point and select it. Perfect. Now that we've selected our preferred border style, it's time to apply it to the entire table. Move over to the Borders button on the right side of the ribbon and select all borders from the list. And there you go. Just like that, your table is clean and professional looking. No more double borders cluttering your work. If you found this quick tip helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy and practical tutorials, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.